Hi, welcome to WIFi Ceramics channel. Today I will take you around our showroom. We have 3 stories in total. Let's start it. First is our Charlotte series, one of our best sellers and can be widely used both commercial and residential area. What's in front of us is Civil series. It has special concrete look design with 3 on-trendy warm gray colors and matched with wooden decorations. Let's have a quick look at our Boulevard series. Its all 11 can be used outdoor in bathrooms. Urban series, the design mixed with wooden and cement. This is our Amber series. It's roller technology with 7 different colors. And this is Olga series. It has 12 redden faces. Except those well-designed mock-ups having the complete display panels for you to check and compare the colors, the size, and the effect under dim and bright lights. And here is our sample showroom. We have a discuss area to negotiate our details. WIFi Ceramics is discovering your life. The second floor is our tiles library. You can have a complete look of our whole designs. Rustic tiles, mosaics, terrazzo tiles, and the decorations. Here is some of our display panels, mosaics. And look here. Here is our new arrival. It's honed finish and marble look designs. Here is our wood look display showroom. We have 18 by 90 and 200 by 120. Glazed polished tiles. And we have a different size according to client requirement. This is the marketing tools we can prepare for clients. So let's go to the third floor. The third floor is our office room. We have 16 very friendly people here to help with your important business. That's all for today. Thank you for your watching. Bye.